Everyone is talking about TikTok's rewards program.
TikTok creativity program.
TikTok creativity program.
TikTok.
Formerly known as the TikTok creativity program. Some people are making $10,000 in their first few months.
I made more than $10,000.
But before you get too excited, know that it's currently only available in select major countries, like the US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the UK. So if you're not in one of these countries, don't worry. I have a method that allows you to access legitimate TikTok accounts that can join the TikTok Creator Rewards program no matter where you're located. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal everything you need to start earning money with the TikTok Rewards program. Now, let's dive into the details. In this video, we're going to explore 7 crucial steps. The 6th and 7th are the most important parts you don't want to miss out on. 1. How to set up your US-based TikTok account. 2. How to get your page monetized quickly. 3. How to target a US audience to get the highest RPM. 4. Some niches you can get started with. 5. How to find niches by yourself. 6. How to create viral videos. 7. Things to avoid to not get banned by TikTok. Your first task is to get a US-based TikTok account, or at least one of the eligible countries, which is crucial since the Creator Rewards program is unavailable in other regions. Without this step, you're wasting your valuable time because your account won't qualify for the program. The good news is that you can get a US or UK TikTok account by following the link at the top of the description. This link will direct you to a page where you can get your TikTok account with an active VPN subscription, enabling you to target a US audience. You'll also find other exciting features included, which I'll let you discover for yourself. Keep in mind that this is one of the only ways to get a US or UK-based account right now. Just follow the instructions closely and use the account as directed to avoid having the algorithm detect your location and block your account. Go get yours before the price increases, especially with all the benefits included. Once you have your account, head to the settings to confirm that you have access to the rewards program. You'll know it's working if you see a Creator Rewards program option in the settings. The final touches include choosing a profile picture, changing the name, and adding a bio. Later in the video, I'll discuss some practices you need to follow when you get your account to avoid getting banned, as well as tricks to get your account monetized quickly. If you don't know how to keep your account safe and get monetized quickly, keep watching. Quick tip: you can generate a unique profile picture using Leonardo.ai in just a minute. I'll leave a link in the description for a special discount. Now that you have your account, let's see how we can get it monetized as quickly as possible. One secret effective method I found, especially if you don't want to spend too many hours creating videos, is to use carousel posts. These tend to get more views on new accounts. Here's an example. You can post memes or content like "Did you know?" or "Random facts." These are pretty easy to make, but the #1 priority is consistency. As you get closer to meeting the monetization requirements of 10,000 followers and 100,000 views, you'll need to start posting videos to get accepted into the TikTok Creator Rewards program. Before you start posting, warm up your account for at least 4 days, reply to comments, and follow some accounts, and make sure you can follow other accounts on TikTok. Otherwise, TikTok will think you're a bot and shadow ban your account. If you're unable to follow other accounts, don't start posting. You'll likely end up getting 0 views because you didn't spend enough time warming up your account. Now that you know how to get monetized, you'll want to target the US audience to get the highest RPM, which stands for revenue per meal. To do this, you need to reset your phone, get a US SIM card, which you can get for just $6, and use a VPN, which you likely already have if you got the account from the link in the description. Following this method, over 93% of my audience is from the US. Also, when you start creating content, use units like pounds, feet, inches, and dollars. That will help as well. Congratulations on setting up your first monetized TikTok account. Now that you know how to monetize your account and get the highest RPM, here are some top niches that are helping people earn thousands of dollars monthly, with videos reaching 10 million views or more. Pay close attention, because the TikTok Creator Rewards program is selective. Many creators lie about this aspect, but the truth is, you won't get monetized if you simply re-upload podcast clips or streamers' content. TikTok requires original content, though what exactly qualifies is a bit vague. Still, podcast clips won't get you far, and if they do, they'll likely be demonetized later on. So here is the perfect formula for finding the perfect niche. The secret lies in 3 key ingredients. 1. Choose a niche that has proven to be viral with high demand. 2. Look for niches that aren't too saturated or have overwhelming competition. 3. Focus on niches that aren't too complex or resource-intensive to produce, yet offer enough creative freedom to express your unique perspective. Remember, choosing the right niche is the most crucial step. Take your time and don't rush this decision. Spend some time on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even Instagram Reels, and try to find videos with at least 100K views. The more, the better. Whenever you find a new idea, add it to Google Sheets, and later decide which one you want to work on. To make this easier for you, I have created a PDF that you can download. It contains multiple niches that you can work on, along with some analytics. Moving forward, with the random facts niche.
Did you know that the color which we see when we close our eyes is called Eigengrau?
Creating a viral video is a crucial step in your TikTok journey. To do this effectively, you'll leverage AI to generate high-quality random facts videos quickly and efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to proceed. Step 1. We need to find a viral video and garnered at least 1 million views in the past 4 months. Step 2. I found this one, so I am going to download this video. You can go to this website and download any video you want. Step 3. Use Descript to transcribe the video. You don't need to pay. The free plan will do the job. Create a new project, drag and drop the video into it, and transcribe it. Step 4. Head to ChatGPT and use the following prompt. I'll leave it in the description so you can go ahead and copy it. Then copy the transcription from Descript and paste it into ChatGPT to generate a viral video script. Step 5. Go to 11 Labs to generate high-quality audio for your video, and explore the voice library to find a voice that best suits your video. Liam is a good option, but you can use any voice you prefer. Paste the script generated by ChatGPT into 11labs.io. Then click on Generate Speech. Step 6. You need engaging background videos. Satisfying videos work exceptionally well, as they've proven to garner millions of views. You can find some online yourself, or you can use the link in the video description to download a pack of over 300 satisfying videos. Step 7 is to get background music. Simply go to YouTube and search mystery background music no copyright. Click on the video, add pp to the link before the .com, and hit enter. It will take you directly to where you can download the video as audio or video. I am going to download the audio. Now, let's put everything together to create our viral video. We'll use our beloved video editing software, CapCut. For those who dislike CapCut, you can use Filmora as a good option too. Click on CapCut. What the hell just happened? Anyway, open a new project in vertical video format and import all the files you need, the audio generated by 11 Labs and the satisfying videos you downloaded. Step 8 is to drag and drop your audio onto the timeline and cut out any silences. After that, I'll add satisfying videos and make each one 3 to 4 seconds long to keep viewers engaged. Once this step is done, step 9 is to add captions. Click on Captions and click on Generate. First, select all the captions on the timeline. Then, click on Animation and choose Captions right below it. Select the animation you prefer. The best one I've found is called Spring. After setting the animation, pick a font you like. Make sure it's easy to read and adjust the size. I'd like to enhance the captions to make them more engaging. Select all the captions on the timeline. Press Alt+G to create a compound clip. Go to Effects, add the flash vibration effect, and adjust the settings accordingly. Add the background music and lower its volume so the voiceover is clear. If you'd like me to create a video editing course to help you master video editing, please let me know in the comments. Make sure the clip at the beginning of the video is very entertaining to hook the viewers and make them want to watch the whole video. In the end, include a call to action, such as asking them to follow your account or posing a question like, which fact shocked you the most? Then click on Export. Here's the results.
In 1965, when author and scientist H.G. Wells passed, his last manuscript.
The video was made in just 15 minutes. And finally, now you have the video ready to upload to TikTok and start earning passive income. With this guide, you now have the tools to create a compelling viral video that will attract millions of views. Let's move on to the next part to learn how to optimize your videos for maximum reach. After creating your viral video, the next step is to optimize it for TikTok's algorithm to reach a broader audience. Here are 3 essential tips that will boost your account and help you gain millions of views. The third tip is my favorite. 1. Follow an effective upload schedule. In the beginning, don't start uploading too many videos. Instead, start with one and try to upload at around the same time each day. Over time, increase your upload volume, but make sure to leave at least 1 hour between each post. 2. Add a strong call to action, CTA. A strong CTA can significantly boost engagement on your videos. Many popular faceless TikToks end with a prompt encouraging viewers to comment or share the video. Something like, "Which random fact shocked you the most?" Or, "Have you heard of these random facts before?" 3. Don't reinvent the wheel. Create content that is already proven to go viral. Make different variations of videos that have already gone viral before. Don't copy them completely. Try to add your twist to it, and maybe make multiple variations of it. One of them may hit and go viral. With these tips, you can optimize your videos for maximum reach and engagement. However, there are also pitfalls to avoid that could ruin your account's algorithmic performance. If you violate TikTok's guidelines or don't follow the steps mentioned in the beginning, such as uploading unoriginal content or mass uploading videos at once, it could greatly hurt your account. You may have to buy a new one if your account gets flagged. Now that you're equipped with all this knowledge, are you going to take advantage of this opportunity, or are you going to let it slip through your fingers? At the end of the day, the choice is yours to make.